Get ready to see something exciting. This is Hope, our 1951 Chrysler Saratoga 8-passenger limousine, the last one left in the United States of America. Have you guys ever heard of Dustless sandblasting? That's right, that's sandblasting with water and sand. Bell's Automotive, he's about to come out here and sandblast this entire car. I mean, he's about to do everything. Oh my God, man. Oh, except for that, because we're going to put a new floor in and all. But he's going to do all around here, all that, man. We took off the door panels, took out the windows. He's about to come. Look at that Hemi. That's Chrysler's first Hemi. That is the baddest Hemi out there, man. Firepower. But he's about, we took off all the chrome and all the molding and all. He's about to sandblast all this inside the engine bay. Everything, guys. I'm just giving you a walk around because this is going to be the last time you see Hope in this condition. Look at this, man. We about to do. Oh, check this out. Check this out. We're gonna get. You see all that right there. See how bad that is. You watch when Daniel come out here and do this, man. Oh my God, look at this. We took off everything in this car, man. We took out everything. He is about it. One more thing. Look at it. Look at that. Is a nice trunk, man. We're gonna check it out. Check it out. Daniel's also open it up. He's gonna also hydroblast all that. And guys, we are doing this live. This is gonna be a live stream event. You guys are gonna see Hope come all this rust taken off of this car. So be sure to join us when we do this. Keep update on our channel to see when we do this. And also, there will not be any chat available. Well, there will be, but on our website. Check out the description below. Check out the description, read the description. Join our website, and you guys, we're about to have a good time with this. Yeah, buddy.